Sometimes I like to imagine. Face up to the sky, I can feel it now. I've been searching hard for a little while. Hear the sounds, voices from the sky. Is it in my head telling me to fly higher up instead of the ground? I know there's trouble. I think that I can find my way beneath the rubble. Is there a flower in the gray, in the gray? 'Cause sometimes I like to imagine. 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 Is it real? I'm trying, but I feel like crying. Sometimes it just hits me. Is there something I'm missing? And I fight my fear, but it likes to steer. From now I'm following the sun till I come undone. I know if there's trouble, I think that I can find my way beneath the rubble. Is there a flower in the gray? And though there's thunder, I'll be okay on my own. But I just wonder, will I ever find a home? Find a home? 'Cause sometimes I like to imagine. 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 Is real? I just keep dreaming, dancing in the gray. I'm spinning. Is real? I just keep dreaming, dancing in the gray. I'm spinning. Bow to the wind, feel her vestments heal my skin. The line bark gets thin, but she's no stranger to rushing in. Missions up, rose up, conceal, unwrap, throwing caution to the wind. She'll risk it for the lives she's left behind. Hopes alive, but she's flying blind. Capricious at moments, no disarray. Stitching through time on her thread, she'll save us nine. Her mind is confounded, but she's no stranger to method sound. Missions up, rose up, conceal, unwrap, throwing caution to the wind. She'll risk it.